Have you ever wondered how a computer actually works? Most of us have heard about the binary system, that computers use sequences of zeros and ones to process information. But how does that even make sense? How can just two symbols represent everything we see on a screen? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. Think of it like this. The alphabet lets us communicate complex ideas using just 26 letters. And the binary system does something very similar, but instead of 26 letters, we only have two, zeros and ones. So, to make it more clear, let's take a look at an example. Let's say we create a simple code where H is 0, 0, E is 0, 1, L is 1, 0, and O is 1, 1. Now, if I send you the sequence 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, you would be able to read it as hello. It's all just a matter of agreeing on how things are represented, and with the right system, any piece of information can be expressed using just zeros and ones. Of course, in real life, we can just all make our own codes. That would be like letting everyone write English however they want. Nobody would be able to understand each other. That's why we have standards, rules that define how different types of information are represented. For example, symbols and characters are often represented using a standard called ASCII. But in the big picture, ASCII is really just a more complex version of what we just did with hello. And it's not just text. Computers can represent images, sounds, colors, all within ones and zeros. All they need is just a standard so they know how to communicate with each other. For instance, a color can be broken down using something called the RGB system, where every color is made by mixing red, green, and blue in different amounts. And the amount is simply defined by a binary value, which computer can process and understand. If you watched the whole video, thank you very much. I would really appreciate if you left a comment saying what I may improve, as I'm pretty new creating shorts. So like any piece of advice or feedback would be really helpful. And if you want, you can leave me a follow or like. And thank you very much.